In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add arrows in Notion. By the end, you'll know a few quick ways to insert arrow symbols and emojis to make your pages easier to read and organize. Open your Notion page and place the cursor where you want the arrow to appear. Type emoji and press enter to open the emoji picker. In the search box, type arrow, then select the arrow emoji you want to insert. You can also use the emoji shortcut by typing a colon followed by arrow. As you type, Notion will display matching arrow emojis. Select the one you want and it will be inserted into your page. If you prefer plain text arrows, you can copy and paste symbols such as pour directly into your Notion page. These work well in headings, lists, and notes. If you can't find the arrow you're looking for, make sure you're searching for arrow in the emoji picker or use a Unicode arrow symbol instead. That's how to add arrows in Notion. Thanks for watching.